championships. I'm Scott Douglas, along with Ken Stout. We saw Dennis Anderson win the World Racing Championship. Can the Gravedigger sweep everything? Is this his year in Vegas?
There's one left. He could get the entire collection here from 2006, but there's 23 other trucks out there.
The biggest guns in the sport, Dennis Anderson and Gravedigger Dan Evans. Airman Dan, spectacular a year ago. We'll try and follow it up here at this year's World Finals in Destroyer. And there he is, Mr. Excitement.
He's saved it so many times. Let him hear it!
What a start to the Monster Jam.
Talk about starting the show off right. Looks like he might be struggling right here. Loses some momentum, gets it turned back around.
And there's the hottest racer we've seen debut this year in the big stadiums, Iron Outlaw and Lindsey Wink.
These first two guys out of the box are putting on a fabulous show.
Put your hands together for Alan Pizzo and Predator.
Holy smokes! And it stayed together.
Done by Frank Rebel.
Excellent job.
I think we're going to set a record for sick air in one night here tonight.
Holy smokes! And it stayed together. Uh-oh. Beautiful job.
World champion Jimmy Cretan tries to defend his title.
And a huge...
Oh, yeah!
A huge...
Coming up, ladies and gentlemen.
They see it on the screen. No announcement necessary. Absolutely sick air. What air we're seeing from all these guys, and Tigler came right out huge. You know what we always hear? Go big or go home.
What a spectacular night. Clearly the most incredible evening of action